Hello guys, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, legal advisor at Lexis and Company. Welcome to our channel LexClip. So as we were discussed on the topic of POST Act, what is POST Act 2013. So now we will discuss the meaning of POST Act और ये पास क्यों हुआ था. तो बेसिकली द POST Act मीन्स जो उसकी लाइक definition is the sexual harassment of women at workplace prevention prohibition and redressal act जो है वो पास हुआ था in 2013 and it defined a sexual harassment, lay down the procedure for a complaint and inquiry and the action to be taken. And it broadened the विशाखा guidelines which were जो कि already in place में थी but उसने थोड़ा सा like broaden कर दिया विशाखा guidelines को. Now the question is what is विशाखा, like what are विशाखा guidelines. तो basically the विशाखा guidelines were laid down by the Supreme Court in a judgment in 1997. This was in a case filed by a woman rights group, one of which was Visakha. In 1992, she had prevented the marriage of a 1-year-old girl, leading to the alleged gang rape in an act of revenge. And जो guidelines थी and the laws थे विशाखा guidelines के, the विशाखा guidelines which were legally binding define like sexual harassment, impose 3 key obligation on institution with there are a prohibition, prevention and redressal. And इसमें the Supreme Court ने डायरेक्ट किया that they should establish a complaint committee which would look into matters of sexual harassment of women like at the workplace. And फिर देन आगे विशाखा गाइडलाइंस को पोस्ट एक्ट ने थोड़ा और ब्रॉड किया. लाइक इनमें जैसे उसने मैंडेट किया दैट एवरी एम्प्लॉयर मस्ट कंस्टिट्यूट एन इंटरनल कंप्लेंट कमेटी ICC एट ईच ऑफिस एंड जो कि लाइक जिस ब्रांच में विद मोर और लाइक 10 और मोर एम्प्लॉयज़ हों उसमें एक ICC कमेटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करेगा एवरी एम्प्लॉय, हर एक एम्प्लॉयर. And it laid down a procedure and defined various aspects of sexual harassment, including the aggrieved victim, who could be a woman of any age, whether employed or not, who alleged to have been subjected to any act of sexual harassment. And this meant that the rights of all women working or visiting any workplace in any capacity were protected under the act. So thank you guys, thank you for watching us. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.